Greetings, tech enthusiasts from around the globe. You've tuned into Future Edge Vision, your go-to channel for all things futuristic. We're here to take you on a thrilling journey through the fast-paced world of technology as we delve into the realms of artificial intelligence, robotics, and the digital universe. Our mission? To keep you abreast with the pulse of innovation, to shed light on the latest trends, and to unveil the most groundbreaking advancements that are shaping our world and beyond. Here at Future Edge Vision, we don't just talk about the future, we bring it to you in all its awe-inspiring glory. So buckle up as we embark on a quest to explore the wonders of the tech world, unearthing secrets, demystifying complexities, and celebrating human genius. Stay tuned as we journey together into the future, one mind-blowing innovation at a time. Our journey begins at the dawn of AI and robotics, where the seeds of imagination were planted. In the early 20th century, we saw the emergence of simple machines, mechanical devices that could perform tasks without human intervention. As the century progressed, these machines evolved, becoming more complex and capable. The birth of artificial intelligence was a game changer. Suddenly, machines were not just responding to input, but also learning from it. The concept of machine learning was born, setting the stage for the next wave of innovation. Machines started to mimic human intelligence, learning from their mistakes, adapting to new situations, and even making predictions about future outcomes. This was just the beginning of a revolution. From the first primitive robots to the sophisticated AI systems of today, we've seen an incredible journey of innovation and advancement. From these humble beginnings, the AI and robotics industry has grown exponentially, leading us to the exciting enhancements we see today. The evolution of AI and robotics has been nothing short of spectacular. From the primitive computational machines of the mid-20th century to the advanced AI-powered robots we see today, the journey has been filled with significant breakthroughs and milestones that have reshaped our world. Let's go back in time to the late 1950s, when the first AI-powered robot, Shaky, was introduced. It was a simple robot, but it marked the beginning of a new era. Shaky was the first to combine artificial intelligence with physical movement, setting the stage for the dynamic and responsive robots we see today. Fast forward to the 1980s, another pivotal moment emerged with the advent of machine learning. This revolutionary concept allowed computers to learn from data, improving their performance without being explicitly programmed. It was a game changer, opening up a plethora of possibilities in the field of AI and robotics. But the evolution didn't stop there. The turn of the millennium saw the integration of AI in various industries, from healthcare to transportation, and even entertainment. Robots started assisting surgeons in complex surgeries, self-driving cars began appearing on our roads, and AI characters became a common sight in video games. This integration not only demonstrated the versatility of AI and robotics, but also their potential to revolutionize every sector. As we moved into the 21st century, the advancements in AI and robotics accelerated at an unprecedented pace. Today, we have robots that can perform human-like tasks, AI systems that can outperform humans in strategic games, and machine learning algorithms that can predict future trends with astonishing accuracy. These breakthroughs have not been without their challenges, of course. There have been ethical dilemmas, technical hurdles, and societal concerns to overcome. But each challenge has only spurred further innovation, pushing the boundaries of what AI and robotics can do. These breakthroughs have paved the way for the latest AI enhancements that are revolutionizing our world. As we stand on the brink of a new era, one can only wonder what's next in the evolution of AI and robotics. Now, let's delve into the present, where AI enhancements are pushing the boundaries of what we once deemed possible. The world of robotics is buzzing with the latest advancements in artificial intelligence. As we speak, machine learning algorithms are getting smarter, more intuitive, and more capable. These algorithms are no longer just tools for data analysis. They're now the brains behind sophisticated robots, making them more autonomous and more efficient. Take, for instance, the rise of AI-powered robots with advanced functionalities. These aren't your regular assembly line robots. They're a new breed of machines that can understand and interact with their environment in ways we never thought possible. They're equipped with advanced sensors and powerful AI algorithms, enabling them to perform complex tasks, adapt to new situations, and make decisions on their own. And it's not just about industrial robots. AI enhancements are making their way into our everyday lives too. Think about the AI assistant on your smartphone, or the smart home system that learns your routines and preferences. These are all part of the AI revolution that's transforming our lives. But beyond the obvious, there are subtler, yet equally significant AI enhancements that are redefining the realm of possibilities. For example, AI algorithms are now capable of unsupervised learning, where they can learn and improve without explicit instruction. This is a huge step forward, as it allows AI systems to adapt and evolve, much like a human brain. Moreover, the integration of AI into everyday life is becoming more seamless and intuitive. From voice-activated systems to facial recognition technology, AI is becoming an omnipresent companion, making our lives easier and more convenient. Indeed, the latest AI enhancements are not just about making machines smarter, they're about making our lives better. They're about harnessing the power of AI to solve real-world problems, to enhance human capabilities, and to create a future where technology works hand in hand with humanity. These advancements have opened up a world of possibilities, redefining our perception of the future. As we journey further into the future, the possibilities of AI enhancements and robotic innovation seem endless. Today, we've walked through the dawn of AI and robotics, witnessed their evolution and breakthroughs, and unveiled the latest enhancements. These advancements are not just changing our lives, but reshaping the world as we know it. The purpose of Future Edge Vision is to bring these thrilling insights and developments right to you, to keep you abreast of the ever-evolving tech frontier. We are here to foster a community of tech enthusiasts, innovators, dreamers, and anyone curious about the future. In the grand scheme of things, we are just at the beginning of this exciting journey. There's so much more to explore, so many more innovations to witness, and countless more breakthroughs to look forward to. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of AI and robotics. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to Future Edge Vision for more mind-blowing content. Until next time, keep dreaming about the future, because it's closer than you think.